Guys, good morning. Ngayon, day 2 ng aming Bangkok. Aalis tayo ngayon, papunta ng Kanchanaburi. Ito guys, yung driver namin, napakabait nito. Medyo may edad na siya, nasa 65 years old na siya, kaya kahit pa paano kinuha na rin namin siya. At mabait naman siya. Tsaka yung rate niya guys, tama lang din. Siya yung pinakamababa. Ito na siya. Ayan. Hello, good morning. How are you? Are you eating?
Binit.
Okay. Sorry, we're late. No problem. Ayun guys, naman napakabait nitong driver namin. So guys, taxi siya, tapos kinontrata na lang namin siya. So waiting na lang tayo kay La Mami guys. So we will go na sa next destination natin. Okay. Okay, thank you. So guys, andito na sila Mami. So, start na sa ating next destination. This is, papunta tayo sa Kanchanaburi, Thailand. Guys, nandito na kami ngayon sa Safari Kanchanaburi. So, check natin dito guys kung okay ba dito. So, walk-in lang kami dito guys ha. Wala kaming reservation. Try natin kung paano dito ang walk-in guys. Ang DIY. Guys. Buy ticket?
Yeah, you can buy it.
Okay. Ayan guys. Yung dito, entrance dito ng adult is 550 baht, tapos sa bata is 350. Ayan guys, merong elephant show, crocodile show din dito. Check natin kung paano transaction dito pagka walk-in ka lang. Imagine 3 hours yung biyahe dito guys, tapos walk-in ka lang. So nagbabakasakali ka lang dito guys. So, I'd like to 4 adult, 1 child.
Child how old?
This 4 years old.
Okay.
Yeah. Can I buy for a giraffe encounter?
เดี๋ยวเราเวทนี้นะ
Okay.
เมื่อกี้จะเป็น2 โมงครึ่งกรุ๊ป2
Ayun guys.
ตอนนี้2 โมงครึ่งกรุ๊ป1ก็ว่างอยู่
Mag-aano sila na.
เจ๊กำลังจะขายอยู่ and you want giraffe
Yes.
how many percent all
4.
extra
How about the child?
same
Same. Okay.
5,000 total 7550
Okay,
thank you ค่ะ
230 230.
yes before come here
Okay.
hello come here
Yes, how much?
2 for 100
2 for 100.
Yeah.
2 for 100 baht. Yun guys, kung bibili kayo ng food, 100. Yun guys, 100 baht per 2 bowls yun. Okay, thank you.
okay
Yun guys, waiting lang tayo dito. Papunta na tayo. Ito yung mga guys, mga food ng mga animals. Walk-in lang kami dito guys. I think naman siguro nakatipid kami kasi sa Klook is iba-iba yung presyo nila. So dito, talagang fixed price sila. Yun guys, pasok na sila. Go inside. Yan sila, nakatabas na sila. There you go. Okay, go. the view, guys. Guys, pinapaklose na sa amin yung mga windows. So, hindi ko alam kung ano yung next na may encounter, pero pinapaklose na sa amin kasi yung mga windows. Ito guys, yung gate ng Tiger. Ito tayo sa Tiger, guys. Kaya pala pinapaklose yung window ng bus. Dahil dito. Ayan, danger. Don't get out of the car. Don't open doors and windows. Ayan, lagi double lang pala. Double gate pala dito, guys. You want to feed the tiger, Aya? What? Oh, yun na. There's a tiger. There's a tiger. There's a tiger. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, where are they going? Ito naman is lions. Close encounter talaga. This yung lion. This one. Ba, mga kulog tong mga to yung lions, guys. Minsan nakabuka ka pa, Ito, mga ano siguro itong mga to, siesta time. So yun, nasa 2 o'clock na. So yun, guys. Sa next naman na encounter, ito naman yung Black Panther. Yan, Black Panther, guys. And leopards. So ganun ulit. Merong private car, Siguro ko pwedeng magdala ng private car dito. Tapos, tsaka ka mag-entrance na sa park. See this one, guys. Yung leopard tsaka panther. Wow! Tulog din sila. Siesta time. Siesta time sila, guys. Tutulog yung mga leopard. Yung tatlo silang tulog. Next. Anong next? Wow! Just coming! Naing lahat.
Yung ano?
Guys, nakaka-enjoy yung camel. Ngayon yung giraffe naman. Yung giraffe. Tignan natin to, guys. Guys, tignan niyo yung kamay ito. May tingnan ng kamay. Ayan na, guys, yung giraffe. Bye! Giraffe. Okay, giraffe. Hello. Ito pa, guys. Ayan. Last na ata ito, last na sa loob. Hello! Adi! Adi! Hi! You can hold him, Adi. You can hold him. Hello! Yan si Ate Adi, guys. Ipapakain din siya. Adi! Adi! Hi! Adi! 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 Hold, you can hold him. Kuya! Kuya! Si Kuya natatakot. Kuya! Okay, bye-bye! Bye-bye! Yeah, small one. Small one. Small one. What's that? Aya. 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 I touch the mouth. The camel's mouth. Look. Ayun guys, next naman is the giraffe encounter. Yung magpapapicture tayo sa giraffe. Papunta na tayo din ngayon guys. Ayan guys, sasakay tayo ngayon dito sa may parang safari car. This one. So yun guys, lahat ng bag namin pinapalagay dito. Hi! Guys! Ito na guys. Hello.
In front of the Tana.
Here. Okay. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Okay.
Hello,
Okay.
follow him.
Move there, move there. Yan guys. Mag-take tayo ng picture dito sa giraffe. Yan. Oh. Natin ito guys. Kaya Addison. Okay.
Iiyak naman ako.
So yun guys. Yun yung giraffe encounter natin. So, thank you so much. Bye-bye. Kapong kap. Bye-bye. You're not scared, Aya?
No,
Not-
I was brave.
Oh, very good, ah.
Say giraffe.
Giraffe.
Wala.
Here you go, giraffe.
What's the ano lang? Tayo. Lipstick tayo.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, giraffe. So, yun guys. Doon naman tayo sa next naman. Guys, ito sa Kanchanaburi Safari Park. Yan. Yung pagpunta rito, private transfer, 3 hours. Kaya agahan yung punta rito guys. Para ano, walk-in lang kami dito guys. So, nagbakasakali lang kaming mga pag-take photo sa giraffe. Pero pinapa-schedule talaga siya. Lalo na pag mga peak season nila. Pagka wala kayong reservation, sometimes pag puno yung slot, hindi kayo papayagang makapag-picture sa mga giraffe. So ito na, papunta tayo sa next. Update namin kayo guys. So guys, transfer naman tayo dito sa kabila. Yan, parang ano siya, safari train. Ito. Tingnan natin kung ano yung saan tayo dadalhin nito guys. Hi! Hi! You missed the giraffe?
Elephant and
So yun guys, Papunta tayo sa may parang pinaka-main zoo nila. Yan. Check natin yung guys kung ano yung meron doon. Ayun guys, makapasok na po tayo sa main zoo ng safari. Ito yung ano nila. Yung loob niya guys. Medyo walang tao. Ito. Nakikita kang malaking turtle. Ayan. So, nahanap namin yung restaurant kasi kakain muna para makapag-lunch. So, ito siguro yung restaurant nila. So, tara guys. Tikman natin yung food nila dito. Mga food dito guys. Yan. Sa loob ng Safari Kanchanaburi. So, tara. Tayo sa loob. So, yun guys. May restaurant dito sa loob. Nakakain muna tayo. So, pero guys, ang may sasuggest ko sa inyo, bago kayo mapunta rito, kain na kayo ng marami kasi yung price dito sa loob guys, medyo may kamahalan. Tignan mo. Share na lang kami sa isang isang dish. Yung chicken nila, tapos share na lang din kami dito sa Padkrapaw. So, yun, pagtapos ito, mag crocodile show tayo guys. So, update namin kayo mamaya. Kain na kami ng lunch. So, gutom na kami. Kaya, anong oras na ba? 3 o'clock. So, 3:30 yung show. May 30 minutes pa.
6 minutes?
3:21 na pala. 9 minutes na lang mag-show na. So, kain muna kami guys. Ayun guys, papunta na tayo sa may crocodile show. Ito na yung crocodile show guys. Yan. So, nagmamadali na sa kasi nag-start na yata yung show. Tingnan natin guys. May crocodile. Crocodile show. Crocodile. Grabe, laki ng crocodile guys. Oh. Try natin yung zoom.
Get up!
Crocodile, dami nila.
เอาละครับมาเช็คกันหน่อยดูครับเสียงหน่อยวัน
Zoom natin guys.
เอาละครับเช็คกันหน่อยดีกว่าท่านผู้ชมก็
Uy, grabe, bilis.
ว้าวของกระไดไปเอาละครับฉากแรกเลยดีกว่ามือครับจะใส่เข้าไปในปากโชว์ให้ดูปากโซฟังจิ้นชี่เฮ้ยเอาละครับดูกันชัดๆครับอย่าปิดตาช่วยกันลุ้นช่วยกันเชียร์ Put your hand inside mouth the crocodile ขึ้นมาของความโชว์แฮนด์ทำเท่านั้นครับผมดูใส่เข้าไปครับเซ่บังโอ้เต็มคาราเบลนิ้ว
Grabe.
ครับยังอยู่ครบ5นิ้วครับปมมือดังๆนะครับคุณละ5 finger ชุบก็ให้1 ทีครับบายเดี๋ยวหมออยากได้พี่หลังตอนท้ายทุกคนโอ้ one person you want crocodile sir you want couple one person come on please don't have
Ayaw nila. Ayaw nila.
เรียบร้อยเอาล่ะครับเสร็จสับเรียบร้อยนั่งลงตรงหน้าครับจระเข้โอ้เพนยัวเมา เฮ้ยโอ้โหเช็คเคี้ยว my god เป็นไง โอ้ very sharp teeth very sharp teeth จ้าโอ้ be careful your hand กว้างๆครับผมเฮ้ยโชว์ Are you ready? Yes, I know. เอาละครับขอล่างก็วนๆครับโชว์หาโชว์ดูโอ้เพชรโอ้โหแหวกคอกก็ได้ค่ะไอ้ not yes มันแค่ลิ้นเฉยๆโอ้โหเปิดให้ดูเฉยๆครับปมมือดังๆมันแคปเจอร์แมนไปโซ่
Ayun guys, tapos na yung crocodile show, yun lang pala yun. Konti lang, mga 15 minutes lang siya. So, medyo maano yung ano. Loud. Sige, pag-usapan, lalabas na kami guys. Tapos the show.
It's nice. They will, ano,
It's heart ano, kasi because of the,
the hand,
yeah.
crocodile.
Ayun guys, nakaka-ano rin,
I'm so,
breathtaking yung pag ganun nung
no.
mouth.
I mean, I was okay if I read the back of an alligator, but why did I say no?
So, guys, dito na. Pabalik na tayo ngayon dun sa pick-up point.
That's it? We're just gonna...
Yeah. Sa pick-up point na tayo, guys. Tapos, biyahe na ulit tayo papuntang Bangkok. 3 hours ulit yun travel time, guys. So, pag pupunta kayo dito, guys, agahan nyo. Tapos, ano ko mamaya ay, guys, ilalagay ko yung link dyan sa baba nung mga, paano ba? Kasi guys, DIY kami eh. Ang ginawa namin is parang nagbakasakali lang kaming makakuha ng slot dun sa giraffe. Pero, maluwag naman sila. Hindi naman sila ganun ka sa slot. Pero hindi ko lang alam kasi ano ngayon. Tuesday ba ngayon? Tuesday ngayon, di ba? Tuesday ngayon, konti tao, wala masyadong tao, kaya siguro meron kaming slot. Kung may tanong kayo guys, chat nyo lang dyan sa baba. Sasagot naman kami dyan. Tsaka yun, update namin kayo guys pag nasa Bangkok na kami. Yun guys, pabalik na tayo ng Bangkok ngayon. So pag-usapan natin yung ginawa nating booking dito sa may Safari Kanchanaburi. In-out ko muna si Klook dito kasi medyo mataas ang presyo niya. Check nyo rin guys, medyo mataas. Kung makikita nyo, nasa 10,000 plus siya. Pero hindi pa kasama yung giraffe na encounter sa giraffe. So ang bayad sa Klook is ng encounter ng giraffe is nasa 1,200 baht. Ang ginawa namin is nag-hire kami si Kuya ng papunta doon. So maganda rin yung presyo niya guys. Commended ko to si Kuya papunta doon sa Kanchanaburi. Tapos ibabalik din kami. Private pa to guys. Tapos ang ginawa namin is nag-DIY na lang kami. Hindi kasi pag doon ka bumili guys ng ticket, ang encounter ng giraffe is nasa 1,000 baht. So matotal ang presyo ng ticket doon is 1,550 baht pag may kasamang encounter sa giraffe per person yan. So yun ang DIY. Pero guys, ito magandang deal to sa atin, para sa atin guys. Yung kasama ko si Kuya, member siya ng Safari. Yung member na Safari, right? Member Safari. Member Safari. Member. Can I borrow your ID? You have the ID? The ID, the one that you showed me? Oh yes. Safari. Okay. So guys, Safari. So binook namin siya. If you will book him, kukuha siya ng ticket guys, 100 per person.
Yes.
100 baht per person guys ang may bibigay niyang discount. So, ang laki ng discount nun. Kaya guys, very recommended to book him sa sa tour. So I will put the details, yung contact number below sa link natin para ma-contact nyo rin siya. Your number is this one, right?
Yes, yes.
Yun.
Welcome, sir.
Mm,
Welcome.
thank you, Hap Hap. Ang pangalan niya is Mr. Kasempong. Around Bangkok, kabisado niya. Guys, 65 years old na siya. Siyempre, medyo na rin, nagtulong na rin natin sa kanya. So, pero yung ibibigay niya naman sa ating guys, service is talagang okay. Tignan mo, 100 baht per person kumpara sa 500 baht na entrance doon. So, very good deal yun. Ayun guys, yun lang ang ginawa namin, DIY kami doon. Tapos wala kaming slot na ni-reserve. Tuesday kasi ngayon, so walang tao. Baka, ewan ko kung weekend, kung maraming tao. Pero baka sakali lang kami kung pwedeng mag-encounter sa giraffe. Pero yun, okay naman. Nabigyan naman kami ng slot. Tanong nyo rin muna sa merong Facebook account or website yung Safari Kanchanaburi. Tanong nyo rin doon guys kung pwedeng dumiretso na doon, mag-walk-in at mag-encounter sa giraffe. Yun ang pinaka-highlight kasi doon guys. Tapos doon sa crocodile show, saglit lang naman siya pero okay lang din. So yun guys, pabalik na tayo sa Bangkok, Thailand.